Every Delta classroom is designed to record video, audio, and content. In each room, you'll see cameras mounted on the front and rear walls. The cameras mounted in the back are focused on the instructor, while the cameras up front focus on the students. Your technician will switch between instructor and student cameras during discussions and Q&A. One of these cameras is a motion tracking camera, allowing you to move freely throughout the room. Simply standing behind the instructor's desk for a few seconds is all that is needed for motion tracking to begin. Each room is also equipped with ceiling-mounted microphones to record audio from both you, the instructor, and the students. It's always a good idea to repeat student questions before providing an answer. Some students may speak too quickly or quietly to be heard by participants watching outside of the classroom. Your technician will capture your discussions, freeing you up to focus on the students and your content. Speaking of content, whether it's PowerPoint slides or an object shown with the document camera, your content will be captured in real-time, full-motion video. In the back of each classroom is a monitor on which you'll see the recording interface for the classroom's Panopto recorder. The Panopto recorder is where your video, audio, and content are captured and combined to make one composite recording. On the Panopto recorder's display, you'll see one window with video from the classroom, another window with content from the instructor PC, laptop, or document camera, and 2 meters on the screen indicating the presence of audio. Your technician will set up the Panopto recorder prior to your scheduled class, and they will also start, pause, and stop the recording as needed during the class.